Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can, or I want to show you a 3 effects on CapCut that maybe you want to try. So let's open your project on CapCut PC version. So the first effect that maybe you want to try, you can go to the video effects. Before that, you have to import your photo with with male or female model that you have from Optimum Effects. So let's get back, go to the video effects and try to search the light effects here. And you can scroll down, try to search the halo effect. This is the halo effect. So you want to try this. Wait for it. Now you can drag the effect into your video like this. So this is the result. More a effect on like lens flare effect here. So next, you can try delete it. There is another more. You can go to the lens. Here you can try to search the retro here. Now you can try retro DV. Here we go. This is the retro DV. You can add the effects on a whole video. Just drag it. And this is the retro DV. Like some old handycam, old camera video recorder, you can try to use this retro DV. And also, this is the last. You can delete first the effect. This is the body effect. You can try to search this stroke, this one. Then you can choose streamer stroke. You can download this streamer stroke. Now you can drag the effect on the whole video like this, slide to the right, and this is the streamer stroke. So you can adjust the strength and also adjust the color here, size, speed. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and text button below. See you in the next video.